What's up, beautiful people? Okay, so today is going to be super exciting. We'll be doing an unboxing video of this Kitchenaid KF7. I've been wanting to watch a lot of videos on this, but unfortunately, I could not find anything. So with that being said, let's just get started with the unboxing. All right, so this will be my very first fully automatic espresso machine, and it is crazy. All right, so when you open the front, this is the first thing that you get right here. So it looks like you get a little getting started guide. And then let me start opening up from the top. So I'm gonna bring this down. So as you can see behind me, I have the Breville Barista Express. Loved it, owned it for around 4 to 5 years. Absolutely love it. Now it's time to review this guy. So it comes with a box right here. It looks like it has the espresso essentials. So when you open that up, it comes with a little pamphlet. You got your user guide, and then you have your scooper right here. So if you wanted to use this to scoop up your beans, you can, or if you wanted to use grounds. And then the other end is for your filter. So you can screw that on, and then you have your filter right here. And then it has a cleaning tablet. Oh, this is pretty neat. It also comes with strips as well. And it also, so 2 cleaning tablets. This one's garbage now. And then next, so the K6 does not come with a milk container, but the K7 and then the top tier K8, they do. So you have your milk container with your hose. Woo! All right, and you have this beauty right here. Oh my gosh. It seems like that's the only thing that comes in the box. So let's just do a quick tour. All right, so you got your front right here. So you have your LCD. Let's just remove this. Look at that. So you have your display right here. You have your dispenser. The cool thing with this is that obviously it goes up and down. I guess it's not obvious, but it does lift up and down. So if you're using a smaller cup or if you're using a larger mug, you're able to adjust that. Super smooth so far. On this side, you have a little lever right here. Oh, that feels really good. Okay, so you have a little lever right here. This is for your water. So it lets you know your water indicator. That slides in and out really nice. I love that. Okay. And then that's also where you insert your water filter. And then the back, let's go see. You have 2 tabs right here on both ends. Let's go see. Ooh. So it just lifts up. Oh, it has a little gasket right there to help prevent air from coming in. And then you could unlock this, push down, and then you could remove your whole hopper. That's really neat. Push it in, lock it in place. Nice. Push that down. On this side, you have, let's go see, what is this? How do you remove this? Oh, okay, so you just pull, there's a little tab right there that you could push. Okay, cool. So this is where you're able to adjust your grind settings if you need to make any fine tune. Okay, let's put this back. Clips right in. And then here's the front. Oh my gosh. So this looks freaking amazing. So let me actually just put it side by side with my coffee machine right now, because this is just freaking absolutely amazing. I've been always wanting one, and I think it's worth it, especially when, so the price on this one is very hefty, about $1,700 for the KF7. So the cool thing with this is that it grinds just like the Breville Barista, but the neat thing is that it will automatically tamp, it will automatically dispense, and you have your regular dispenser right here too. I think if you pull this out, let's go see if we're able to kind of get that. Yep, so you pull this whole unit out. This is where your pucks go. So that's where you were able to just throw it away, the whole thing. Oh, that's really neat. So the whole thing could just come off without removing this whole tray. And then you have your water tray right here as well. So I thought that's really nice. The cool thing with the Breville Barista is that it's a lot more affordable. That's why I started off with it. The downside is once you start adding more accessories, I'm using a lot of Normcore. Normcore is really expensive. With all that being said, that kind of gets closer to the price range of this. And what I love about this is that you're able to just press buttons. It's freaking amazing. I love it. So far, I highly recommend it. Let's just kind of get this started and see how it works and operates. And let's just plug it in. So this will be our very first time actually powering it on. So, is there a switch? Oh, so this is really cool. So I was trying to figure out where the power is. And this has rollers on there. That is freaking neat. So it looks like there is a power button right here on the right side. Push it. It powers on. Hi. I'll hide all this later on as well. So English. Do you want to install the water filter now? Yes, I do. Got the water filter. Step 1, extract the water tank and insert the water filter. So lift this up, put this right here aside. Clips on like that, which is really nice. You're able to just drop it in using this as a handle, and then you can just rotate it in. Let's reinsert this. Okay, excellent, check. Fill the water tank up to the maximum line. So I do have this right here that I can just drop in. So let's turn on the water. Oh. Excellent, so max line is now filled. All right, position a container at least half a liter or 17 ounces under the outlet. All right, so I got this little bowl. That should do the trick. Click start. All right, filter rinsing is ready. Press start to begin. Oh, I love that. Does it automatically. You don't even have to do that. All right, so filling water. It is a little loud, but I think it's about the same as the Breville Barista. Rinsing in progress. Perfect. Coffee loading. All right, so it looks like it's giving us two options when it comes to coffee. It's either allowing us the coffee beans or coffee grounds. So it looks like coffee beans will be loaded on this portion, and coffee grounds, it looks like there's a small little compartment right there that you can load up the coffee grounds. But in this case, we'll be doing coffee beans. Lift this up, put that aside. You're good. Unlock. Push this. Let's remove this. I love how that's also removable because it makes it so much easier. All right. So it just clips down. Make sure you lock it and then replace the top. Alrighty, so beans are loaded. Let's click that. You are ready to start your coffee experience. So let me just get a cup. Alrighty. That's the highest. Oh, excellent. Cool. Begin. Heating up. Alright, so this is going to be my very first time seeing this in action. Rinsing in progress. So far, it sounds like it's a little quieter than the Breville Barista. Yeah, so the extraction portion is very quiet. Perfect. So this is the rinse for the first use. Okay, so That way we could kind of like put apples to apples. Let's just do an espresso, and then we'll keep everything by default just to see how it actually tastes. Oh yeah, grinding is a lot quieter, but it's also contained in this versus the Breville Barista where it's a lot more open. That's nice, you can hear it tamping. All right, now it's starting to express. So this is the pre-infusion, and then it should start extracting shortly. There it goes. It looks really good. That's fairly quiet. And that noise was it removing the coffee puck and dispensing it. All right, so I don't really drink straight up espresso, but I really want to try this out since I know how the Breville Barista tastes like, especially with the same coffee beans. Not bad. It's pretty much tastes the same. Wow, it's exactly the same in a certain sense, which is really nice. And this is the medium temperature. That's kind of hot. That's kind of hot. The medium, it tastes, it's definitely drinkable. But if you put it on high, I feel like you have to wait for it to cool down. That is not bad. Okay, now let's try out the milk. All right, so got lactate 1% milk. So there's not a good seal around this. I'm not sure if that's supposed to be like that, but that's something I noticed. There is a little latch right here to insert the hose. So you just push that down, insert the hose. Let's see how easy this is. Oh, nice. And then insert that. Okay, got our drink right here. Let's push this up a little. And then let's just do a regular cafe latte. Keep everything basic. All right, so it starts to grind. And it's now expressing. And that looks beautiful. Preparing coffee. It's heating. I'm wondering if this is going to start sucking the milk. Okay, that took a little while. Oh, and here's the milk. That's not bad though. That did take a long time, but not bad at all. And there it is. Oh, I love that. So right after you finish that, if you're going to make more drinks, you would want to press later. But since we won't be making anything else, let's remove this and let's have it clean now. All right, so easy milk rinsing. So follow the instructions to rinse the frother and the milk hose. Continue, yes. So it's asking you to empty the tray. So empty coffee puck tray and drip tray, rinse before putting it back, okay? It's just, we won't do that. Easy milk rinsing, so hose into drip plate. So what you would wanna do is remove this, and then you would wanna insert it into this. Okay, and then put a container. So just grab a regular container. I'll just be grabbing a cup. Push that. All right, easy milk rinsing process ready. Press start. Rinsing in progress. Oh, you could see a lot of that milk. That is awesome. Oh, you could see water getting flushed through. So I could actually see this when you're done. You could just automatically just grab a cup, do this already, and then just have it start while you're drinking your drink. Oh, that's fairly easy. I like that. All right, moment of truth, a cafe latte. Smells amazing. No sugar or anything added. Wow. Oh, that's good. That is good. Wow, it's I love how simple it is. I love how streamlined everything is. This is exactly why I got it. So this is just an unboxing and an initial impression of this coffee machine. So far, I freaking like it, but I'll be posting a full review shortly, or actually not shortly, probably around like several weeks to about a month of using this. I drink coffee nearly every day, 2 or 3 times a day, give or take. Just really depends, but at least every day. And so far, I'm very impressed. Love it. The build quality, everything about it is just fantastic. That's pretty much it, guys. If you have any questions, put them in the comment box below. Otherwise, have a beautiful freaking day.